Hello dear students, I am your science teacher and I am here for your first chapter, that is nutrition in plants. But before starting this chapter, I would like to tell you some keywords, and that is life process. Okay, so before starting this chapter, we have to know about life process, that what life process is. Okay, so all living organisms have to eat and digest their food to derive energy. They remove waste materials from their bodies, and all living organisms respond to their environment. Okay, so first thing is that what is life process? So we may say that nutrition, okay, growth, respiration, and excretion of waste material. These all terms are categorized as life process. So what is life process? Life process is the basic activities through which all living organisms maintain their lives. That means all the basic activities through which all the living organisms maintain their lives. Okay, such as nutrition. Okay, we eat food, we get nutrients from food to get energy. We grow, we respire, we excrete our waste material. Okay, so all these terms are called as life process. So what is life process? Life process is the basic activities through which all living organisms maintain their lives. Okay, so this is about life process. So our chapter is nutrition in plants. That means how the plants get their nutrients to survive. So before starting this chapter, we have to clear one term, that is nutrition. So now what is nutrition? First I am going to write the definition of nutrition, then I am going to explain it. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which an organism takes in food and utilizes it or uses it to get energy or to perform various activities. Okay, so now what is nutrition? The process of taking in food and utilizing it to perform various activities such as grow. Okay, to perform any work, that is called as nutrition. Okay, so we have to talk about the nutrition in plants, that how plants get their nutrients to perform their activity. Okay, so what are the modes of nutrition in plants? So modes of nutrition in plants, we have to discuss about that in next topic. But before discussing that, we already know that food consists of a number of components. Like if I talk about the food consists carbohydrates. You already know about that, in the form of glucose. Okay. Next, food consists fats. Okay. Next, if I talk about food, then it consists proteins, it consists vitamins. Okay, these all the terms which consist foods. Okay, that means in food there is a component of carbohydrate, there is fat, there is vitamins, there is proteins, there is minerals. Okay, these all components are called as nutrients. That means, what is nutrients? Nutrients is the combination of carbohydrate, fat, proteins, minerals, vitamins. Okay, these are called as what? Nutrients. The nutrients of food are chemical substance. The nutrients are essential for living organisms to perform their activity. Why these nutrients are essential? These are essential for grow. That means growing. Okay. To build their bodies. To build their bodies. Nutrients are essential for grow, to build their bodies, to get energy to carry out life process. In short, we may say that to get energy to carry out life process. Okay, so these nutrients help us to carry various activities. Okay, so our next topic is modes of nutrition. Okay, so we have to talk about the modes of nutritions in plants. Okay, so our topic is modes of nutrition. So we already know that about plants, that plants are categorized into two types. The first one is what? Green plants, and the second one is non-green plants. Okay, all the plants are categorized majorly in two types, green plants and non-green plants. Okay, so if I talk about the modes of nutrition, we already know that green plants are the only living organisms which can prepare their own food. Okay, we have studied it in the previous classes in photosynthesis. Okay, so if I categorized about the nutrition in plants, then it is of two types. The first one is autotrophic nutrition, and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, so now what is autotrophic nutrition? What is heterotrophic nutrition? If I talk about the autotrophic nutrition, this is the mode of nutrition in which living organisms prepare their own food. Okay, that means those living organisms which can prepare their own food, they are called as autotrophs. Okay, now what is meant by autotrophic? Autotrophic is the word which came from the word auto, that means self, and trophs, that means nourishment, self nourishment. Okay, that means those organisms which can prepare their own food is called as autotroph, and that type of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so now moving to our next topic, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition words comes from the two words, that is hetero, which means other, and again troph, that means nourishment. Okay, that means what is heterotrophic nutritions? Heterotrophic nutritions are those types of nutritions in which the living organisms derive their food from other organisms. Okay, the living organisms derive their food from other organisms. That means they depend upon the other organisms for their food. And these types of organisms are called as what? Heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. Okay, so we have to study about first autotrophic nutrition, then further we have to classify this heterotrophic nutrition. If we study further, then we get to know about heterotrophic nutrition, that this type of nutrition can be seen into 5 plants, which we have to study further. Okay, now we have to study about the autotrophic nutrition. It is clear that autotrophic nutrition is what? It is a type of nutrition in which plants make their own food, and we already know that green plants make their own food. Okay, non-green plants cannot make their own food, but green plants make their own food. So we have to study about the green plants, that how they can prepare their own food. Okay, and we already studied about this in photosynthesis. Okay, so green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and that is called as photosynthesis. So our next topic is what? Photosynthesis. Our next topic, photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis comes from two words, that is photo, which means light, or we may say that sunlight. Okay, and the next word is synthesis. What is synthesis? To combine. Okay, so if I talk about the photosynthesis, what is photosynthesis? First I am going to write the definition. Photosynthesis is the process through which green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with the help of carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll with the help of carbon dioxide and water. So what is the responsible factor of photosynthesis? The main responsible factor of photosynthesis is sunlight and chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Chlorophyll is responsible for the green color of leaves. So why do the leaf is green? So the leaf is green just because of chlorophyll. Okay, so chlorophyll is the responsible factor for the green color of leaves. What is the process of photosynthesis? In the process of photosynthesis, chlorophyll traps the sunlight to carry out photosynthesis. Plants also need carbon dioxide, water, and in the presence of sunlight, the reaction takes place. Usually this reaction will take place in the leaf. Okay, why? Because chlorophyll is present in the leaf. Okay, so, and in some other green plants it will carry in the stem. Like if I talk about the cactus, photosynthesis will occur in stem in cactus. Okay, so I am going to write here, summarize here about photosynthesis. What with the process of photosynthesis? When carbon dioxide and water. Okay, it is a chemical process. From where do plants get carbon dioxide? They get carbon dioxide from air. Okay, from air. So carbon dioxide plus water from soil. Okay, and they will form food in the form of glucose. Okay, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, and along with the glucose they will release oxygen. Okay, oxygen is a diatomic molecule which is written as O2. Okay, the symbol of oxygen is O, but in universe it is diatomic molecule. What is diatomic molecule? There are two atoms of oxygen, so it is written as O2. So this is what, this is the process of photosynthesis through which green plants can prepare their own food. Okay,